Greetings, dear ones, and welcome to another Library of Divine Echoes deep dive, where we explore the magic and mysticism that is always active all around us. Today's deep dive explores sacred geometry and its role in spiritual practices. Sacred geometry is a spiritual philosophy that sees certain shapes, patterns, and proportions as fundamental to the creation of the universe. These geometrical shapes and patterns are believed to be a reflection of the divine, representing the unity and harmony of creation. Sacred geometry can be seen in nature, from the spirals of seashells to the branching of trees, and has been used for centuries in art, architecture, and religious symbols. The following are some of the fundamental shapes and patterns in sacred geometry. 1. The flower of life. A complex figure made up of multiple evenly spaced overlapping circles arranged to form a flower-like pattern. It is considered a symbol of the cycle of creation and represents the interconnectedness of life. It is often used in meditative practices to connect with the divine. 2. The seed of life. A component of the flower of life, consisting of 7 circles, it symbolizes the 7 days of creation and is often used in rituals involving new beginnings or creative endeavors. 3. The Metatron's cube. Derived from the flower of life, this shape contains all the platonic solids and represents the blueprint of the universe. It is often used for protection and healing, connecting with the archangel Metatron. 4. The Vesica Piscis. Formed by the intersection of 2 circles, this shape represents duality and the balance of opposites. It is often used in rituals seeking harmony or balance. 5. The Fibonacci Spiral, or golden ratio. This spiral is found in nature and represents growth, expansion, and the divine proportion. It is often used in meditation to connect with natural rhythms and the flow of energy. Healing crystals are used in conjunction with sacred geometry to amplify energy, focus intentions, and bring balance and harmony to the mind, body, and spirit. Each crystal carries its own specific vibration and healing properties, which can be enhanced when used in geometric patterns. Some key crystals used in sacred geometry practices. 1. Clear Quartz. Known as the Master Healer, Clear Quartz amplifies energy and intentions. It is often placed at the center of geometric layouts to enhance the energy flow. 2. Amethyst. A stone of spiritual protection and purification, amethyst can be used in sacred geometry to promote higher states of consciousness and spiritual awareness. 3. Rose Quartz. The stone of unconditional love, Rose Quartz is often used in heart-centered geometric patterns to promote healing, compassion, and emotional balance. 4. Selenite. Known for its cleansing and protective properties, selenite is often used in sacred geometry to clear energy blockages and create a protective energy grid. 5. Citrine. A stone of abundance and manifestation, citrine can be used in sacred geometry to attract prosperity and success. 6. Obsidian. A grounding stone, obsidian is often used in geometric patterns for protection and to release negative energy. The following are some examples of the practical application of sacred geometry with crystals can be implemented. 1. Crystal grids. Crystal grids are arrangements of crystals in geometric patterns designed to focus energy and intentions. The sacred geometry acts as a map for the energy, directing it towards a specific goal or purpose. Creating a crystal grid. Set your intention. Begin by clearly defining your purpose for the grid. This could be healing, protection, abundance, or any other intention. Choose your sacred geometry shape. Select a geometric pattern that aligns with your intention, for example, the flower of life for creation and connection. Select your crystals. Choose crystals that resonate with your intention. Place a powerful crystal like clear quartz at the center and surround it with supporting stones. Activate the grid. Once all the crystals are in place, activate the grid by connecting the stones with your hand or a wand, visualizing a light or energy connecting them all. 2. Meditation. Sacred geometry shapes are often used as focal points in meditation. By gazing at a geometric pattern or holding a crystal associated with a specific shape, practitioners can align their energy with the pattern and achieve a deeper state of meditation. Guided meditation with sacred geometry. Choose a geometry symbol. Select the shape like the Metatron's cube or the flower of life and visualize it during your meditation. Hold a crystal. Hold a crystal like amethyst or clear quartz to enhance your connection to the geometry. Visualize the energy. Imagine the energy flowing through the geometric pattern and into your body, bringing balance and healing. 3. Rituals and ceremonies. Sacred geometry is often incorporated into rituals and ceremonies to create sacred space, protect the participants, and focus the energy of the ritual. Creating a sacred space. Use sacred geometry in the layout. Arrange the piece using sacred geometry shapes, such as placing altars or ceremonial tools in geometric patterns. Incorporate crystals. Place crystals at key points in the geometry to enhance the energy and create a protective barrier around the space. 4. Art and visualization. Creating art based on sacred geometry or visualizing these patterns can be a powerful spiritual practice. Drawing or painting geometric patterns can be meditative and bring you closer to the divine. Sacred geometry art. Draw or paint. Create art based on sacred geometric shapes, allowing the process to be a meditative and spiritual practice. Infuse with intentions. As you create, infuse your art with specific intentions, whether for healing, protection, or spiritual growth. Here are some examples of ways that you can incorporate sacred geometry into your daily life. 1. Wearing sacred geometry jewelry. Wearing jewelry that features sacred geometry shapes, like pendants or rings, can help you carry the energy of these patterns with you throughout the day. 2. Home decoration. Incorporate sacred geometry into your home decor with artwork, crystal displays, or furniture arrangements that reflect these patterns, creating a harmonious and balanced living space. 3. Energy healing. Practitioners of energy healing, such as Reiki, often incorporate sacred geometry into their practices. Using symbols like the flower of life during a healing session can enhance the flow of energy and promote deeper healing. 4. Chakra balancing. Sacred geometry can also be used to balance the chakras. Placing crystals in geometric patterns over the body during a chakra balancing session can help align and open the chakras, promoting overall well-being. Sacred geometry is a powerful tool for spiritual growth, healing, and manifesting intentions. When combined with healing crystals, it can amplify energy and bring a deeper connection to the divine. Whether through meditation, rituals, or daily practices, incorporating sacred geometry into your life can help you tap into the universal patterns of creation and bring harmony and balance to your body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of sacred geometry. May you find ways to incorporate sacred geometry into your own spiritual practice, as there are a number of instances and opportunities to apply its teachings throughout the course of a given day. This is Christopher Little signing off. Until next time, stay strong, stay curious, and may all your endeavors be ever fruitful.